cubic function. Cubic is a polynomial with x to the power 3, or you can say the degree of this polynomial is power 3. So how are we going to make it, and what will be the domain and range? What you see here is somewhat looking like other polynomial. Y equals x cube. X and y, let us make a table first. The best way is to find out the y value for x value which are near to the origin. So x is 0, y is 0. Now x is negative. Put negative. Negative 1 into negative 1 into negative 1 is negative 1. Y is negative 1. So negative 1, negative 1, negative 1, it is going to give you negative 1. Which is unlike your square function, which will give you positive always. When you put 1, you will get 1. 1 cube is 1. Take another value, negative 2 whole cube. So it will be negative 8. Y is negative 8 here. For negative 2, you have negative 8. For positive 2, 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. For 2, you are going to get 8. The negative 3, again, since the power is odd, you will get a negative value. So that will be negative 3. 3 cube is negative 27. Plus 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. For 3, you are going to get 27. Okay. Now you see here, this y is x square. The graph was all above x-axis. It was never negative, because always the x square or any power of x which is even will always give you the graph which is above axis. It will never go to the negative y-axis. But when it is x to the power odd, you will get the graph in the negative part also. So let us plot it. Just assume that this blue line is not there. My drawing is very good, so I just need to do it here only. So this 0, 0, x is 0, y is 0. Negative 1, x is negative 1, so y is negative 1. So just plot it here and just, rounding the points. X is negative 2, y is negative 8. X is negative 2, so y is, this is not negative, x is negative 2. So y will be negative 8. This we can plot. If you see, the power is increasing. If the power is increasing, the value increases rapidly. That is how exponential functions are. If you have x to the power 4, x to the power 5, it increases rapidly. Here you have negative 2, negative 8. Now let us say 1, 1. X is 1, y is 1. X is 2, it jumps up to 8. So 2 and 8, let us assume this is the point. 2 and 8, just approximation I am taking. Andaza, approximation. X is 3, it will be here somewhere. Say 27 will be way above the screen. Now just draw the graph. And this is your cubic function graph, or y equals x cube. This is your cubic function polynomial cubic graph. So all values you can put. So the domain is real number. All values you can put. Domain is real number. You can also put minus negative 1 by 3. It doesn't matter. Range is, again, all the values it is coming, negative also, positive also, fraction it may come also. So the range is all the numbers, real numbers. Range, all the numbers, real numbers. This is a function, cubic function R to R. This is your graph.